Hey guys, so I wanted to pop on here and continue my part 2 of the recommendations for Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. If you missed part 1, it is up already. You can check it out. Hopefully it helps you out in making your decisions on what to buy. So yeah, let's get into it. So starting with Monday, September 9th, not really seeing anything that pikes my interest. Maybe the Kat Von D Good Apple Blush and Bronzer. I have tried her eyeliners, they're amazing, but yeah, maybe that one. Okay, moving on to Tuesday. Again, not a whole lot that impresses me, keeps me interested, so I'm going to skip on over to the next day. So moving on to Wednesday, maybe the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss. I've been hearing mixed things about her brand, where like obviously it used to be really popular, now it kind of tapered off, but then I've been hearing different beauty influencers saying she's actually introducing a lot of new innovative products to her line. Maybe worth trying. Probably not going to go out of my way to buy it though. Not really into the Too Faced plumping lip liner or lip injection products. I feel like I don't know, I feel like my lips are kind of thick already, so I don't really use any of those products. Yeah, other than that, not really seeing anything I want. I mean, I think like they have a Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream. They have a First Aid Beauty Body Lotion. Not really lacking any of those things right now, but those are really good brands for skincare. Oh, I did want to see this, or I did want to try this. I remember I got really excited. Ren Beauty Liquid Eyeshadows. I love some of her colors. They look like they're chromatic almost, so definitely want to try these. And I really like the Ren Beauty Lavender highlighter that I've been using, so yeah, going to try that. I'm interested to know if they're going to be rolling out. I think sometimes during their 21 Days of Beauty, they do like a surprise offer or something. Haven't been seeing that so far, but yeah, wondering if they're going to do that this time around. So moving on to Thursday, never heard of Rabanne lip color, but looks really nice. It looks very premium. Oh, I do need a new beauty blender. I don't want to even show you guys my old one. It looks really disgusting, even though I did wash it. And I try to find like cheaper beauty blenders, but I think they don't perform as well. So yeah, I definitely think this is a good time for me to stock up on these makeup sponges. Let me see. Maybe, okay, well, I definitely recommend the Lancome All Over Concealer. But I actually recently just bought one because Macy's was doing like this 40 to 50% off sale. So going to pass on that. I'm really stocked on those. Maybe the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide capsules look pretty good, but again, I don't have anything from Elizabeth Arden skincare wise, and don't really need to go out of my way to get those, so probably going to skip. Okay, Friday, Benefit Cosmetics brow pencils are always a good purchase, but I actually recently just got the Anastasia brow pencil. That one works pretty well. Still struggling with doing my brows, so I don't think I should keep buying brow products when I don't even know how to do my brows. Just personally, my opinion. I think I heard a lot of good things about Dermalogica, but again, probably won't pass on that. Don't need it. Let's see. Oh, I heard a lot of good things about Juvia's Place lip products, but again, I have like a stock of lipsticks I have yet to even use, so don't need that at the moment. Oh, I think the Tracy Reese pattern hair products are really good, but again, I don't need that for the time being. Yeah, I think that's about it for Friday. Saturday, let's take a look. Maybe some of the Buxom lip serums, but again, I have a lot of lip products, so probably not going to do that. I think the Coach perfumes are usually pretty good. There's a Coach Dreams Eau de Parfum, but I already bought the the Philosophy Warm Cashmere one, so I'm kind of good on perfumes at the moment. Let's see. Oh, looks like they have some Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo and Brush. There's a Philosophy Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Worker. I think that one's pretty good. I bought it in the past, but again, I stocked up on moisturizers. Philosophy Exfoliating Facial Wash, that one's pretty good too, but I also stocked up on cleansers recently. Okay, so moving on to Sunday and Monday. Ooh, the Lancome skincare products honestly are always really good. I don't really need anything at the time being, so probably going to skip. Tarte Amazonian Clay Covered Foundation always gets good reviews. Probably not going to buy that. Fenty Beauty Retouch Setting Powders. Probably not going to buy that. Ooh, I really like the Urban Decay Cosmetics Vice Hydrating Lipstick. I'm actually wearing it right now, and my favorite color I think is called 1994. So I might buy that one again. I just love the chocolatey shades, perfect for fall. Don't really see anything else I'm interested in. So moving on to Monday. Oh, I used to really like the Stila liquid eyeshadows, but if I want to buy the Rem Beauty ones, I don't need both. Let's see. Anything else? Okay, I think I'm good for Monday. So moving on to the next day. Okay, now we're nearing the end. So starting Tuesday, I think the Fresh Black Tea Anti-Aging Moisturizer looks like a good buy. I personally love Fresh skincare products, so that's what I would recommend. Again, I am fully stocked on moisturizers, lip products, so probably not going to be making that purchase. And oh, the Kat Von D eyeliners are really good. They're really precise, so I would look into that. The eyeliners, the liquid eyeliners. I think that's about it. So moving on to Wednesday, heard great things about Bumble and Bumble hair products. Ooh, another Kylie Cosmetics lip oil. Again, I fully stocked on lip products, and I've never tried Kylie Cosmetics, but maybe that's something I'd be interested in. Let's see. Stila Dual End Liquid Eyeliners. I've never seen those. Is it like 2 in 1 then? Because you get 2 of them? But interesting, and I do love the Stila Liquid Eyeliners. I just don't know what these are. They look like you're getting 2 products in 1. Might be a good deal. Whoa, Proactive. That brings me back to like long time ago when I used to see those infomercials. Okay, so now we're on to the very last day. I would say the MAC Locked Kiss lipstick looks pretty interesting. Lancome Monsieur Big, I used to swear by that mascara, but now I'm really into the Hypnose Drama, so probably going to skip on that. The waterproof Monsieur Big is really good. I don't really see anything else I'm interested in. I mean, I heard good things about Clarins Beauty products, but again, I don't need any more moisturizers. But yeah, that is it. That wraps up my thoughts, my recommendations on all 21 days. Let's see if they throw in any daily surprises, etc. But let me know what y'all are going to be buying and what you all think about this deal. I have to say, I've been seeing a lot of really positive reviews about this sale, but I don't think it's all that great. I was hoping more like stocking up on essentials, also like maybe more new interesting brands I want to try, but yeah, I don't think I was like that impressed, but I will be taking advantage of stocking up on my essentials. But yeah, thanks for watching.